Hey guys, in this video, we're going to fix the Discord error called awaiting endpoint. This error usually means there's a problem connecting to Discord servers. The first thing you should do is check if Discord servers are working. Go to the Discord status page. As you can see here, it shows all systems operational. If there are any problems, they will be shown in red. For example, here you can see a partial outage on June 12th that lasted for 1 hour and 33 minutes. If the servers are fine, the next step is to restart Discord. Close Discord from your Windows taskbar, and if it's still running in the tray, right-click the icon and close it there too. Make sure your internet connection is working. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off, as it can interfere with Discord. You can also try changing the server region. Here's an example. This is a sample channel I've created. Go to the channel settings and under Region Override, choose any other region from the drop-down menu. Another fix is to flush your DNS. To do this, open the command prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS. Then press Enter. After that, restart your computer. If the error still appears, try uninstalling Discord and then installing it again. If none of these steps work, it's a good idea to contact Discord support for more help. Hopefully, this solves your problem. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.